Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install Tinyproxy on Fedora. By default, the Tinyproxy package is included in the Fedora default repository. You can install it using the following command. Once the installation is completed, you can verify the Tinyproxy version using the following command. Next, you will need to edit the Tinyproxy main configuration file and modify some default settings. Save and close the file. Then, create a log file for Tinyproxy. Now, set the correct permissions for the Tinyproxy user. Now, start and enable the Tinyproxy service using the following command. You can now check the status of Tinyproxy with the following command. You will see the following output. By default, Tinyproxy listens on port 8888. You can check it with the following command. Next, you will need to edit your browser settings and define your proxy server on the client machine. First, open your web browser and open the settings window. Scroll down the page and click on Configure Proxy. You should see the following screen. Define your proxy server IP and port, and click on the OK button to save the changes. Now, open another tab on your web browser and try to access a website. You will be asked to provide your proxy username and password. Provide your username and password, and click on the Sign In button. After successful authentication, you will be able to access the website.